Hi Percussion, I'm going to head back to where we begin. We have a 112 through 116 for this week. I'm just going to show you something really quickly about that dotted quarter note. Here it is. I want to back up to this dotted half note. We learned dotted half notes quite a long time ago, and we learned that when we have a half note and you add 1/2 of the value, that's what the dot does, 1/2 is 1, and that's how we get 3. Same goes for this dotted quarter note. That dot adds half the value. So we've got 1 quarter note, and half of 1 is a half. So that's how we get that eighth note. So we've got 1 and a half, and that's how it lasts to be 1.5 beats. Okay, keep that in mind because I'm about to change it up on you. You got a dotted quarter note here in the eighth note. Make sure you guys are playing D flat here because it's marked D flat, and you also have that as a D flat as well because it stays true for the whole measure. It's a DC al fine, which means go back to the beginning and play it again. Now number 113 here, this is your test song for today, or your record song for this week rather. Just watch out for the rhythm. You've got a dotted quarter note. Listen to it a few times. Get used to how this one sounds. I think you'll really enjoy it. This is your recording song. 114, more dotted quarter notes. Now 115, friends, we're going to change it up. So before we had this dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note. Ta, ti, ta. Now we change it up. So you've got the eighth note first and the dotted quarter note second. These flip-flopped. So now we say ti, ta, or 3 and 4 and, or 1 and 2 and. Okay, so you got to really think those out as quick, slow, rather than the opposite. Okay, listen to this one a few times before you actually start to play 116. Okay, any questions, feel free to reach out and I'm happy to help. I've seen some of you send in your recordings saying this one was too hard for me. If you get to that point where it's too hard for you, please just reach out to me and I'm happy to help during the week before your recording. Okay? All right, guys, have a good one. I will talk to you soon.